Welcome to all. Today we discuss Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here most of the important point is a Wheeland intermediate. What is Wheeland intermediate? At first we discuss, then we discuss the actual mechanism. So here Friedel-Crafts reaction goes through alkylation and acylation, two types possible, and then we discuss what is the concept of Lewis acid. We want to know of our discussion. Then we discuss what is Wheeland intermediate. The very important term is Wheeland intermediate. What is Wheeland intermediate is very important. And sigma complex. The reaction goes through sigma complex. So we want to know what is sigma complex. Now we start our discussion. Now at first we discuss what is the concept of Wheeland intermediate. So in that case, when this aromatic electron take part in this electrophilic attack, so here this D is incorporated on that intermediate step and hydrogen is removed. But in that case, when this attack is possible, after formation of this CD bond, here plus charge is formed here. So after formation of this plus charge, it can be stabilized through resonance. So in that case, this plus charge is shifted on that position. Then this plus charge is also stabilized through conjugation. So after formation of this plus charge, so this one we want to say here, this plus charge is this carbon to this carbon shifted. But in that case, here one H is removed and the final product is formed here. And so we also here explain the exchange of deuterium with the hydrogen atom of the nucleus is found to take place, indicating the formation of a sigma complex, also called Wheeland intermediate. So we also say that this complex is formed sigma complex. So this one is a intermediate. We can easily say. So when we use D plus R plus Cl, when we use an aromatic ring, so when attack on that center, and it can easily form the Wheeland complex and the reaction goes through Wheeland intermediate. Plus charge is formed here, we can easily say. Now we discuss here Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in that case, we also say here simply Me3C plus this carbocation, so easily attack here and the reaction goes through this Wheeland intermediate and form the product. And second case is when we use this benzene ring with RCl and in presence this Lewis acid, here Cl is delta minus and iron is delta plus. So here it can be easily form this R also delta plus. So easily coordinate at first this chlorine atom. So Lewis acid at first coordinate of this halide, and then the plus charge is formed here on the center of R. So after formation of this plus charge, this attack is possible and formation of this Wheeland intermediate. So after second step is the proton loss step. So formation of the product, we can easily say the mechanism. So at first step, formation of the complex and the Lewis acid adduct formation occur, and then second step is a attack on that electrophilic center. Third step is a H minus H remove on that case. So here rate is a K into this aromatic hydrogen Rx and the formed carbocation. So the order of Lewis acid catalysis is AlCl3 at first, then ferric chloride, then BF3, then TiCl3, zinc chloride and SnCl4. The order is a very important. The order of Lewis acid series. So now in that case, here in case Friedel-Crafts alkylation, here formation of product this, and here what is the mechanism here involved. So as per our mechanism, in presence this Lewis acid AlCl3 at first coordinate of this halide Rx and formation of this intermediate, and then this our substrate is here. So now our substrate, this double bond attack on that R center. So this bond is break. So after breaking this bond, R is incorporated on that aromatic ring. So the plus charge is formed here. So we also show, as per our discussion, what is the concept of Wheeland intermediate, and the plus charge is formed here. So this plus, so that is the term of Wheeland intermediate, and sigma complex we also called, but here the sigma bond is formed here. And our third step is one step, two step complete. Third step is here on that hydrogen atom. So this hydrogen remove on that system. So here to stabilize this cation, the one hydrogen remove and formation of product, and so here this bond is break and our catalyst AlCl3 Lewis acid is regenerate. So that is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Is very, very important. Here one alkyl group incorporated. One alkyl group is incorporate on that ring, that is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So in that case, in our reaction, we also show here when the attack possible and the plus charge is formed, that is called our intermediate, and second step is our loss of proton, this product. So now we show our one of the reaction curve. What is the, that is very, very important term. So in the first step, our starting material is here. We also draw here. So our first step in our reaction coordinate, our first step, then our intermediate is placed over here. Intermediate, that is, this intermediate is placed here, just on that place. So we can easily say that hydrogen plus charge is formed here, and our this on our intermediate. And our second step is faster rate. So we also show on our reaction curve, second step, this gap is very less, and formation of product of here. So here the product is present, E product. So we also say here what is the del G, where is present our del G. So this gap totally, this one we also expressed our delta G dagger. So we also easily say this one our energy and this one our reaction. So here first step is slowest step. So first step delta G value more high, and second step is delta G value more less. So that is the reaction coordinate on that reaction. Is very, very important. Starting material is here presence. So when the reaction goes through on that intermediate presence is here. That is the first step of number one step, and that is the number two step. So number two step is here, number one step, number two step. So here delta G value is very, very less because the reaction goes through on the faster rate. So we can easily say formation of the product. We discuss one of the most important point is what is the limitation of that Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here in that case Friedel-Crafts reaction, here when we react aromatic benzene ring with that catalyst in presence AlCl3, formation of this product major, the rearranges product is major and normal product is formed here. Why? Because here we also show here in presence AlCl3, as per our mechanism we also discussed previously way. So here vacant d orbital presence on this Lewis catalyst, and so here the carbocation is formed on that position. We draw everything. I also clear. Okay, you just follow the discussion. So here the plus charge is formed here. So that is a 1 degree carbocation. So we also say, as per our previous discussion, 1 degree carbocation is very less stable. So here it can rearranges, means stabilize on that carbocation. So here the formation on that, it can rearranges attack directly here. So CH3 CH, this carbocation is shifted on that middle center. So after formation of this carbocation is also very stable in presence, and we also write here AlCl3, this AlCl3 on the side part on here. So after formation of this carbocation, now attack here possible on that ring. So this electrophilic attack is possible. So here we get the sum amount of this product, rearrangement product, CH3 and CH3, and but here this here attack less amount, this product is also form minor amount product, minor amount product possible. This product is when the attack on that way, minor product is also possible. So we can say that here this rearrangement is possible, that is the limitation. We get the rearrangement product, we can easily say here. So we can easily say here what is the driving force is here. So here this rearrangement, due to this rearrangement driving force, when this hydrogen attack on that carbocation center, then this bond is break. That is the driving force on that reaction. Is very important term. So formation of this carbocation and the formation of two product. Now we discuss our next limitation. One of the important limitation is here, in presence AlCl3 and when the NH2 group present on the ring, at first in presence AlCl3 from the complex, but in that case the ring is convert on a electron withdrawing. Due to the presence of this NH2 group, the ring is convert, is powerful electron withdrawal effect is occur here. So the reaction not occur, and when NO2 group present and NMe3 group present, the reaction does not undergo. So halobenzene, the very important point is here, powerful electron withdrawing group NO2, NHR, NF3 when present, the reaction does not undergo. So here due to the presence of this electron withdrawing group after formation of this complex, so here the ring is withdrawal, so the ring convert of a electron withdrawal effect is occur here, so it cannot participate on the second step. So the reaction goes through on carbocationic intermediate, Wheeler intermediate. So here this plus charge when formed, the plus charge is very unstable due to the presence of this electron withdrawal effect. So when we use electron withdrawing effect, the reaction cannot undergo because it cannot stabilize the carbocation plus charge. So we also easily say here, thus when the stability not gain on that system, so the reaction cannot proceed on the faster rate. Now our limitation is aryl halides cannot replace alkyl halides. Aryl halide cannot replace the alkyl halides. So here in presence chlorobenzene react with vinyl chloride, there no reaction occur, because here the Cl when present on the ring, the lone pair is present here. So it can easily, on that reaction the mechanism goes through this Cl when attack on that AlCl3, the vacant orbital is present, aluminium Al, the Lewis acid metal center. But in that case here due to the presence of the electronegative atom, it can, and the plus I effect, it can easily take part in conjugation on the ring. So this bond, single bond get double bond character. So when this single bond get double bond character, the bond is shorter and convert stronger bond. So Lewis acid cannot catalyze. So CX bond shorter and stronger. Lewis acid unable to ionize the CX bond. That is the main reason. So as a reason, this reaction not goes through. Now we solve one problem here, aromatic ring in presence CH3COH in the catalyst of H3 H2SO4 or H3PO4 formation of this product. So how to solve this problem? So we also discuss our previous mechanism. At first we also show here the adduct formation, how to form the adduct. Now here in presence H2SO4 at first protonated on this OH group, so form OH2. So after formation of this OH2, so in presence sulfuric acid HSO4 minus form here. So here after formation of that HSO4 minus, so here now this group is removed because water is stable after remove. So this bond is break and form here we can easily say this carbocation. After formation of this carbocation, then this aromatic ring we also add here, aromatic ring, then it react on that way. So here simply we can say that attack here possible and formation of product is C, then this carbon to total 3 CH3 here presents. So we can easily draw the CH3 and the plus charge is formed here, that is our Whelan intermediate. So we also discussed our previous reaction. So this Whelan intermediate is stable, totally the plus charge shifted through this carbon to this carbon atom. This Whelan intermediate, that is called this carbon atom. So here CH3 whole 3 form here. So this one is the intermediate of Whelan intermediate and then sigma complex formation, and the second step is a minus H plus remove. So this H minus is removed here and form the product is CH3, the system get aromatic. So our problem is solved, that is the product. So we can easily say. So here in that case our second problem is here the substrate is here and formation of product this. So how to solve this? So at first we form the adduct. Now in that case here at first in presence HF, here the formation of this attack on that hydrogen. So after attack here this F minus is removed and then the lone pair is also attack the vacant center of BF3. So here formation of here this one formation of CH2 double bond CH3 when it can takes participate hydrogen. So carbocation is formed here. Carbocation is not formed on that center because 1 degree carbocation is less stable. So this carbocation is less stable, so this cannot form in that position form because it can stabilize through electron donating group. So after formation of this carbocation, then our aromatic ring then directly attack on that position and the reaction goes through Whelan intermediate we know. So when we easily draw the structure, so plus charge is formed here and this CH3 whole 3, this one is a Whelan intermediate. And our second step, loss of proton, we also discussed. So after loss of proton CH3 whole 3, then the system gets aromatized, so the product form we can easily say. So that is the carbocationic mechanism we also discuss here. How to form this CH3 plus we also discuss here. Now we discuss how to explain this. Two substrates presence in presence BF3 form the product. So in that case in presence BF3 is a Lewis acid. So here vacant orbital presence in case boron. So here the lone pair attack at first this vacant orbital from this complex, and after formation of this intermediate, this one is stable after breaking this bond and remove this bond. Means stable group means which group stable, then this position is break, so the carbocation is formed here. Now we can easily place this aromatic ring. So this 2-1 attack on that carbocation. So now here formation of this 2 form is here, but here one of the important fact is hydrogen, but here the hydrogen is present on that position which is also stabilized through Whelan intermediate. We also explained as per our previous discussion. So now this hydrogen is also stabilized through this hydrogen loss through the presence of BF3OH, which BF3OH plus this reaction BF3OH is a side product. So now this BF3OH are present here, so the hydrogen is lost and formation of product is here. Now we can simply say that this product is formed. We can easily say that. Now our next problem is very important. Here this compound is present, in presence AlCl3 form the product. So now we easily know that the lone pair is present oxygen atom. So the lone pair is easily attack on this AlCl3 center where the vacant orbital is present in presence aluminium. So formation of the complex is here. But after the step here, now attack the electron on that center. So this bond is break at that condition. Now in that case, formation of this Wheeler intermediate, and second step we know that formation of this product. So when bond break on that position, so this intermediate is formed. So after this formation of this intermediate, after loss of proton here, simply we form CH2OH. Now this one is just stable to remove on that system, so it can easily break. So the product form. So we can know that. So at the first step, formation of this adduct. Then we know that second step, attack on the ring of this adduct, and third step is the proton loss. So that is the main mechanism. In that case, the problem is very important, because here now oxygen is absent in presence AlCl3 from the product. As per our previous discussion, we also here the oxygen group is present, then it can coordinate of that center. But here present CH2. For this problem, this lone pair is attack on that center and double bond is attack on that center. So what is the product formation is occur here? Here the product is formed, then attack, and this bond is break and AlCl3 coordinate on that position. So formation of product is this. So this one is also goes through Wheeler intermediate. Next step is H- removed and this group is removed. So here the H- proton loss on that step. So formation of product is CH3 here occur here. So we can easily say that this product and this one is stable. So guys, today we discussed the several types of problems which is related to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So next day we also study what is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So please watch this video and try to solve the problem, and if any question, any problem, please contact me, and comment box is present, and also email me. My email ID is present on the award box. Please like this video and share this video. Thank you.